I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying ERS and battery presets in the HUD so you know baseline state of charge, temperature, and deployment map. Engage a conservative region if the race is long. Switch to an aggressive map only when you need a lap time advantage. Once on track, use a short burst for exit of slow corners to evaluate how much charge drops and note the recovery rate. This tells you how often you can repeat the tactic without depleting the pack. Once mid-race, shift to active management. Alternate between harvesting on heavy braking zones and measured deployment on straights so you keep a usable reserve. You should use partial deployment, for example 1/2 or 0. 5. When following closely to maintain slipstream speed without exhausting the battery. Also, plan overtakes around predicted full charge windows and avoid using maximum battery for brief defensive moves, because that leaves you vulnerable later when a bigger attack is needed. As the race closes, keep roughly 15 to 20% battery for a decisive final lap attack or a defensive counter. You want predictable power when it counts. If you notice the battery not replenishing, inspect your region mapping and brake bias, because poor settings block effective harvesting. Finally, make sure you can switch to manual deployment if automatic maps are mismanaging charge. Doing so lets you ration energy precisely and salvage position when the default behavior fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.